friends, welcome to Competitive Maths by Balaji. Okay, we are completed 3 classes of the ratio and proportion. Today we are going to discuss about part 4 of the ratio and proportion. Let's start our class now. The concept of the class is that combining ratios. Let us see one example. First question, if A is to B is 7:9 and B is to C is 15:7, then what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? Okay. Answer. Write down, this is method 1 called LCM method. Given A is to B is equal to 7:9 and B is to C equal to 15:7. Now we have to find A is to B is to C equal to. See, the important thing is that B is called connecting term. B is called connecting term to both the ratios. Okay, so what is the B values in both the ratios? In the first ratio, B value is 9 units. In the second ratio, B value is 15 units. They are not equal. We have to equate this term. Okay, how we equate these two terms? Since LCM of 9, 15. By taking LCM of 9 and 15, we can equate this connecting term. Yes, consider 9 and 5 means 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. But these 3 already included in 9. Consider 5 in the product. 9 5s are 45 is the LCM of 9 and 15. Now, we have to make it each term of B in both the ratios by 45. Okay, to make it this term 45, we have to multiply it by 5. Similarly, to make it 15 by 45, we have to multiply it by 3. Okay, so see here, 5 9s are 45, 3 15s are 45. Yes, our connecting term is equal now. Now, what is the value of A? A 5 7s are 35 is to 5 9s or 3 15s, both are equal to 45 is to C value 3 7s are 21. So A is to B is to C is 35 is to 45 is to 21. Another alternate method is that method 2. Alternate method. Alternate method, where we are used in our school mathematics. Where we use this method? In our school mathematics. See, yes, A is to B is given by 7:9 and B is to C is given by 15:7. Okay, right. That is A is to B is to C equal. Consider product of these two, 7 into 15. Then consider 9 into 15 is to 9 into 15 is to then consider 9 into 7. Okay. Each term has 3 as common. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are. 7 5s are 35 is to 3 5 15s are 45 is to 3 7s are 21. Again we get A is to B is to C as 35 is to 45 is to 21. But method 1 is preferable method and easy method. Okay. So second problem is homework for you people. Try yourself. Third question. Now here we are given with the 3 ratios. We have to find combined ratio of these 3 ratios. Answer is that. Given A is to B is 3 is to 4, B is to C equal to 5 is to 7, C is to D equal to 8 is to 9. But the thing is that here we have 2 connecting terms, C and B. Always we have to equate these connecting terms. Always we have to equate these connecting terms. Consider from the bottom. Here C value is 7, here 8. LCM of 7 and 8. LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. So to make it 56, we have to multiply this ratio by 7 and this ratio by 8. So that 8 sevens are 56, 7 eights are 56. Now observe what is the B value in the second ratio. 8 fives are 40. So here also we have to make 4 by 40 by multiplying it by 10. Okay. Now B value is 8 fives are 40, 10 fours are 40. Thus A is to B is to C is to D equal to what? 10 threes are 30 is to consider 10 fours or 8 fives, that is 40. 8 sevens are 56 or 7 eights are 56. Consider any one of the two values. 7 nines are 63. So this is the A is to B is to C is to D. But in our question asked A is to D only. A is to D, that is 30 is to 63. That is what? A is to D equal to what? 30 is to 63. But it is not in its lowest term. Then 3 tens are 3 21s are. 10 is to 21 is our answer. See. Again, we have another alternate method that is very simple also. Method 1, this is method 1. Now consider method 2. Write down A is to B is 3 is to 4. B is to C is 5 is to 7. C is to D is equal to 8 is to 9. Now we have to find A is to B is to C is to D. So that is A value is, consider first term, product of first terms of all three ratios, that is 3 into 5 into 8 is to. Then consider product of second term of the first ratio and first two terms of the remaining two ratios, that is 4 into 5 into 8 is to. And third, consider product of two second terms of two ratios and the first term of third ratios, that is 4 into 7 into 8 is to. And consider product of second terms of all the ratios, 4 7 9. Okay, that is, so 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are 15 twos are 30 is to 8 fives are 40 is to 7 eights are 56 is 9 sevens are 63. But we have to find A is to D. We have to find A is to D, that is 30 is to 63. 3 tens are 3 21s are. Again we get 10 is to 21. But this method is very important. This method is very important. Always use first method instead of method 2. Okay. And fourth question, as usual, same method. This is homework for you. People, try yourself. Next question, fifth one. If x equal to 1 by 3 of y and y equal to 1 by 2 of z, then find x is to y is to z. 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution. Answer. X equal to 1 by 3 of y, that is x is to y directly can be written as 1 is to 3. Every fraction can be written as in terms of ratio. In the same way, y is to z equal to 1 is to 2. Y is to z equal to 1 is to 2. We have to find x is to y is to z. But before that, we have to see whether the connecting term is equal or not. So here 1, here 3. Connecting term value, the first ratio is 3 and the second ratio is 1. Hence both are not equal. And LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So to make it 3, multiply it by 1. And to make it 3, multiply it by 3. So that 1 ones are 1. 1 threes are 3 ones. That is 3. 3 twos are 6. X is to y is to z is 1:3:6 is the answer. Okay. Next, sixth question. Solution. A:2B is 5:7 and C:2D is equal to 2A:3B. Here the value of C and D is given in terms of A and B. Then find AC:2BD. That is, what is AC? First product of first two terms. So AC is to BD. We have to find this one. A value is 5. But C value, see here? C value is 2A. Again A value got 5. Is to BD. What is B value ratio? That is 7. But D ratio is that D value is 3B. But B value is again 7. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 10 5s are 50. Is 7 3s are 21. 21 7s are 147. So answer is 50:147. Next, seventh question. If x is to y equal 3:4 and y is to z equal 3:4, both are equal ratios, then x plus y plus z by 3 is a value is that. That is, x is to y equal 3:4 and y is to z is also 3:4. Okay. Then we have to find x is to y is to z, where y is our connecting term. We have to equate this connecting term. LCM of 4 3 is 12. To make it 12, we have to multiply first ratio by 3, second ratio by 4, so that 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, and the connecting term values are both are equal. That is, x value 3 3s are 9 is 3 4s are 12 is 4 4s are 16. 9 is 12 is 16. But we have to find x plus y plus z by 3z. See, in our starting class, we know that exponent or degree of each term is equal. Degree of each term is equal. So we can directly apply x by 9, y by 12, z by 16. So numerator shows that sum of three ratios, x plus y plus z, that is sum of three ratios. 16 plus 12, 28 plus 9, 37 by 3 times of what is z value? 16. 3 16s are 48. Thus 37 by 48. Okay. Next question. Important one. If A is to B is 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8, B is to C is 1 by 3 is to 5 by 9, and C is to D is 5 by 6 is 3 by 4. We know that ratios are always expressed in terms of integers, whereas here ratios are given in terms of fractions or quotient numbers. Okay, so first of all, we have to simplify these ratios. Like this: 2 1s are 2 4s are. So A is to B is equal to, by cross multiplication, 4 1s are 4, 1 3s are 3. 4 is to 3. A is to B is 4 is to 3. Similarly, B is to C. 3 1s are 3 3s are. By cross multiplication, 3 1s are 3, 1 5s are 5. B is to C equal to 3 is to 5. Similarly, C is to D equal to, here also 2 3s are, 2 2s are. By cross multiplication, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9. 10 is to 9. We have to find A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is to C is to D equal to. But see, the connecting terms are B and C. But C values are not equal. To make it equal, LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. So to make it 10, we have to multiply the second ratio by 2 and the third ratio by 1. Okay. But the thing is that 2 3s are 6. B value what? 2 3s are 6. In the first ratio, to make it a B value 6, we have to multiply again here also by 2. So that 2 4s are 8, A value. 2 3s are 2 3s, B value is 6, C value is 10, D value is 9. 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. C is our answer. By observing the options, A and C are not the answers, as both the ratios are not given in lowest terms. So answer must be B and C. That is, answer is 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. Next question. 9th one. Last two questions of part 4. In a school, the ratio of boys and girls is 4:3, and the ratio of girls to teachers is 8:1. Then the ratio of students to teachers is, okay. Solution. Here given boys to girls ratio is 4:3, and girls to teachers ratio, that is 8:1. Okay, then we can find boys is girls is teachers ratio, and here girls are connecting terms. So the value of G is 3 here, and here is 8. So LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. To make it girls ratio 24, we have to multiply first ratio by 8 and the second ratio by 3, so that in the both the ratios G value is 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24. Yes, that is 8 4s are 32. Boys ratio is 32 is to girls ratio is 24 is to teachers ratio is 3. But we have to find students to teacher. Who are the students? Boys and girls are the students. So that is students to teachers ratio. Students means sum of ratio of boys and girls. 32 plus 24, 56 is to teachers ratio is 3. That is 56 is 3 is our answer. So answer is A. Last question of this class. 10th one. There are three numbers A, B, C such that twice A is equal to thrice B. That is, twice A is equal to thrice B. Thrice means 3 times of B. And 4 times of B is equal to 5 times of C. 4 times of B is equal to 5 times of C. Then the ratio between A and C. We have to find the ratio between A and C. That is, let us write A is to B and B is to C. We know that A is to B is 3 is to 2. Similarly, B is to C is 5 is to 4. See, here B is our connecting term, B is our connecting term. So, equate connecting term. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. To make it 10, multiply first ratio by 5 and second ratio by 2. That is, A is to B is to C equal to 5 3s are 15 is to 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. But we have to find the ratio between A and C, that is 15 is to 8. Answer is C. Okay, this completes the part 4 of ratio and proportion.